Welcome back, friends. Check it out. This is a 2010 Mercedes GLK. It's a premium pack. It's got a factory panoramic roof. It's got the big wheels, luggage rack. It's got navigation. It's got a factory trailer tow pack, power rear gate, real leather seats. Not the vinyl jobbies on this one. This one's got the real luxury package. Nice wood grain, power memory heated seats. Super nice car. Not a speck of rust. No paintwork, no accidents. 2-owner unit, clean Carfax, lightly smoked windows. Interior is flawless. It's never been smoked in. It's got no rips or tears or burns or scrapes. It's a big old pano. Navigation, premium sounds, wood grain, loaded and ready to go. All serviced up, fresh oil, inspection, real nice Firestone Destination tires, 4MATIC all-wheel drive, odd color combo. Really nice vehicle, really nice one. And you're looking at a 3-month 4,500 mile service contract over the driveline. You're looking at a guaranteed credit approval program. This is eligible, and the down payments will start on these around $11.95. Gonna do the last walk around here, get a good eye on it. Come on down. Spring is in the air. The whips are out. DasCleveland.com.